Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on LENOVO V15. If you have access to the physical keyboard, in order to enable the on-screen keyboard you have to press the combination of Windows Ctrl O buttons, and this will enable this keyboard that you can adjust in size, in position, and you can use it just like a regular keyboard. It also has a numpad on the right side, and basically it works just like a regular keyboard. You can just leave it where you need it on the screen and it will follow you around anywhere you go. If you don't have access to your physical keyboard, you can also enable this keyboard by going to Start, Settings, then in Settings on the sidebar select Accessibility, and in Accessibility go to the Keyboard menu and find the on-screen keyboard feature, switch it on, and this will enable the very same keyboard. Now if you don't have access to your physical keyboard, it can be quite inconvenient to go to the settings anytime you want to enable the on-screen keyboard, but you can also use a different option which will give you just a simple keyboard for entering text without basically the same keyboard. Is just that you cannot adjust its size and position, but you can access it from anywhere, and you can also use it like as a regular keyboard. Especially it's especially comfortable for messaging. So in order to enable this kind of keyboard, you have to go to Personalization, then go to the taskbar, and in taskbar find Touch Keyboard and change its value to Always. Now you will see the Touch Keyboard icon on the taskbar, and if you click it, you will see this keyboard that you can also use just like a regular one, except for it's not adjustable and it doesn't have a numpad to it. But if you close this keyboard anywhere, you'll be able to re-enable it anytime by clicking on the same icon on your taskbar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.